Enemy tank, north. He only picks with his head and keep shooting it.
I just blew him up.
Oh, you got the ET?
Oh man, his top popped off. That was great.
Come, keep coming, keep coming. He's gonna be below you about now on your left, other bank.
Okay. Coming in.
Mark. Vickers. Let's go into the tree line. Oh, frick got me.
You want me to come handle that guy?
Sure. Then we can protect. Oh, it's China. China's fine. Get the Sherman Puzzle. Kill Rob.
Well, I gotta respond for them.
GMC at the FB is getting hosed.
Yo, there's a
GMC gone.
Got some eggs on the way. Where do you guys want them?
No, you got a boat for shooting up.
I like that. I'm in a 111, so it'll probably shoot me down. I'm going about 10 miles an hour.
See, I've told them they need to make the Blenheim and the HE1 on like 50% more armored.
They got AA next to the church, more of it. Right in front of the V-spawn.
You got Axis definitely has the short end of the stick when it comes to bombers. The A20 and the DB7 are legit.
No, they are, but I'm saying about that. Still, that nobody flies that, what did I just say? God damn it.
The 111?
The Blenheim. It's like
Yeah,
the 111. It's just a big turd to get shot, just drops.
Yep.
I tried the JU-88 yesterday. I'll never try it again. Total piece of garbage.
It's awful.
It's just awful. I mean,
Shit.
It would be a little better if you could dive bomb it. But even then,
no, I mean, it's a bitch to take off. It's horrible. You can't see anything. They put all that crap right in front of your face in the cockpit. Well, it looks like that's going to be a good drop right there for that 111.
oh, nope.
You didn't get eggs off? Soldier K's coming. Soldier.
Is my gear down? My gear sure is down.
Oh, you get a potato? Damn, he got me though.
I think I got him.
He hurt me.
Oh, there's 2 or 3 AAAs out.
Yeah, they hammered me before I even got my eggs off. Blew my wing off, and then I was a negative G, so I couldn't drop my bombs.
Oh, I'm dead. Fucking Bofer. There he is. Flamed.
EA's here. Get out of here, guys.